See, of course, it is all of our family members. We never expect such a big the image of Karnataka, the image of Bangalore has lost. The family has lost.
This child, some mother spoke to you.
Yes, the mother said, don't do post-mortem, give the body to me. How can we do it? We have to take up a legal this one. Tomorrow something whether it has been done when post-mortem is done only we'll know about it. Because I just checked the gates, what the things were there, how many gates were there. A lot of issues are there. I think the magistrates will definitely look at it. We are very serious in this. My party, even in the national level also, they are very much concerned on this issue. So let us, we will try to find a solution for this.
It is saying that the permission was not given by the police.
I don't want to react to any of these BJP guys. I am only answer to the people of Karnataka. All BJPs are all nonsense political relation. They are also the masterminds of all these dirty things.